All right, welcome to our video on how to create a scatter plot. Um, so we're going to start off with this data chart here. This is the month versus annual, the amount of precipitation that we get in that month. So we didn't do all of the months. I just did April, March, May, and July. And this is the amount of precipitation that was recorded on average for the month. So the first thing you're going to do on your graph is title your graph. This should be a short and concise title that allows your viewer or your reader to be able to know exactly what your graph is about with a minimal amount of effort. Then you should title your y-axis. So in this case, we're doing precipitation in inches. It should go on your y-axis. And then our month goes on our x-axis. It's important to note that anytime you have any units of time, it should always go on your x-axis. So in this case, we have January, March, May, and July. So let's go ahead and graph it. You generally use a dot for this kind of graph. So I just use a dot here. So in January, we had 5 inches. So I just follow the line up and find 5 and move my dot here. And then in March, we had 2 inches. In May, we had 4 inches, and July, we had 1 inch. And so it's important to note that we're following this, we're taking our information. This is just like an ordered pair that you would find in math. The only difference is that instead of using two numbers, we have words and numbers. And so we just match them up here. Also for this kind of graph for a scatter plot, usually we don't connect the dots with a line. You can if it makes you feel better, but you don't have to in order to show this. You can find the trends and follow the trends of the data without having that line connecting them. And if you have any questions or are confused about this, review this video as needed or ask your teacher for more help.